In 2026, the SUV market is going through big changes. Prices are shifting, demand is rising, and many brands are updating their models. But here is the truth, not all SUVs are worth buying. Some look good on paper, but age badly. Some are overpriced for what they offer. And some have problems that most buyers never hear about until it is too late. In this video, we are going to talk about the 3 worst SUVs you should avoid in 2026, and then we will look at the 4 best SUVs you should buy with confidence. These are SUVs that offer strong long-term reliability, great resale value, and the kind of durability that American drivers want in 2026. All the research, testing, and owner reports are combined here to help you make the smartest choice. So let's begin with the SUVs you should not buy in 2026. The 3 worst SUVs you should avoid in 2026. We start with the models that continue to disappoint buyers. These SUVs often look modern, have nice features on the surface, and get marketed heavily. But once people own them, the problems start showing up. These 3 vehicles are the ones that stand out as the most disappointing options for 2026. Worst SUV number 1, the Ford Explorer base models. The Ford Explorer is one of the most recognized SUVs in America, but the lower trims of the Explorer continue to have major problems in 2026. Many owners still complain about the same issues year after year. This includes slow shifting, rough shifting, and transmission hesitation. Even though Ford has improved the Explorer over time, the base models continue to suffer from mechanical issues that make them risky for long-term ownership. The transmission is the biggest concern. Owners report jerky gear changes during regular driving. When you step on the gas, the SUV sometimes takes too long to respond. This delay can be stressful, especially when you're merging onto a highway or trying to get through an intersection. The shift timing also feels unpredictable. At random moments, the Explorer jumps into a gear that does not match your speed. It makes the entire driving experience uncomfortable. There are also reports of engine stalling without warning. Even though it does not happen to every owner, the risk is still there. A stall is not only frustrating, it is dangerous. Some drivers say it happened in stop-and-go traffic. Others say it happened while turning. These are situations where a stall can lead to a serious accident. Electrical problems also show up in the Explorer. There are reports of warning lights coming on at random times. Some drivers experience issues with the radio, the cameras, and the sensors. While these problems are not as serious as engine or transmission issues, they still raise concerns about long-term reliability. Overall, the base Ford Explorer has too many issues to recommend in 2026. There are better SUVs for the money, especially when reliability is your main goal. Worst SUV number 2, the Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is a very popular SUV because of its low price and good fuel economy, but the 2026 Rogue still has problems that make it a risky buy. The biggest problem has always been the transmission. Nissan uses a CVT transmission. This type of transmission is known for smooth operation when it works properly, but Nissan's CVTs have a long history of trouble. Many owners report whining sound, slipping, and strange vibrations. The transmission does not always respond well. Sometimes the engine revs loudly, but the SUV does not speed up the way it should. Other times, the transmission feels like it is struggling to find the right setting. This makes the Rogue stressful to drive in certain situations, especially when passing or merging. Another problem is long-term durability. Because the CVT works constantly without fixed gears, many Rogues develop problems before they reach higher mileage. Some owners report transmission failures at 80,000 miles or even earlier. This is not something you want to gamble on in 2026, especially as car prices continue to rise. The Rogue also has interior issues. The seats feel soft at first, but many owners complain that they flatten out over time. The materials scratch easily, and the cabin does not age well. When you are spending this much money, you want an SUV that stays solid for years. For all these reasons, the Nissan Rogue is not one of the SUVs you should buy in 2026 if you care about long-term reliability. Worst SUV number 3, the Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass is one of the most talked about SUVs because it looks great, has off-road styling, and carries the Jeep brand name. But when it comes to reliability, the Compass has struggled for a long time. The 2026 model still has problems that make it an SUV you should avoid. The transmission is the first problem. Many owners say the shifts feel slow and unsure. When you step on the gas, the Compass sometimes takes too long to react. It feels like the transmission is thinking before it decides what to do. This delay makes the SUV feel underpowered even at normal speeds. The engine also has issues. Some owners report that the engine feels weak when climbing hills or carrying passengers. The Compass can also shake or make tapping noises under load. These problems do not inspire confidence. Electrical issues are also common. Owners report displays freezing, sensors malfunctioning, and backup cameras not working at random times. When electronic systems fail in a modern SUV, it makes the driving experience stressful. The interior of the Compass also feels cheaper than competitors. The seats may feel fine at first, but they lose support as the miles add up. The plastic surfaces scratch easily. Even though the Compass looks good on the outside, it does not deliver long-lasting comfort on the inside. Because of all these issues, the Jeep Compass is not a smart choice in 2026. There are better options that cost the same and last much longer. Now that we covered the SUVs you should avoid, let's move on to the SUVs that deliver the best performance, the best value, and the best long-term reliability in 2026. These SUVs are far better choices for your money and will give you peace of mind for years. The 4 best SUVs you should buy in 2026. These are the models that stand out in reliability, performance, comfort, and overall value. If you buy any of these 4 in 2026, you are making a smart and safe investment. Best SUV number 1, the Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 continues to be one of the most reliable SUVs in the United States. In 2026, the RAV4 remains an excellent choice because of its strong engine, solid transmission, and outstanding long-term durability. Toyota's engines are known for lasting 200,000 miles or more with simple maintenance. The RAV4 holds its value better than almost any SUV in its class. The transmission is smooth, predictable, and reliable. The engine responds quickly when you press the gas. There is no hesitation. The RAV4 has a confident feel whether you're driving in the city or going on long trips. The steering is light but accurate, and the suspension handles rough roads well. Inside, the RAV4 has good space and strong build quality. Nothing feels loose. The materials hold up over time. Even after years of use, the cabin still feels solid. The seats are comfortable and the controls are easy to use. If you want an SUV that will last a long time without expensive repairs, the Toyota RAV4 is one of the safest choices you can make in 2026. Best SUV number 2, the Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V continues to be one of the best SUVs in America. The 2026 CR-V is reliable, comfortable, and efficient. Honda engines are known for long life, and the CR-V offers one of the smoothest driving experiences in its class. The engine responds quickly and quietly, the transmission shifts smoothly, the ride feels stable at high speeds and relaxed at low speeds. The CR-V is also very comfortable for long trips. The seats are supportive and the cabin is roomy. The visibility is excellent, which makes the CR-V easy to drive in busy cities. Honda also has a strong record for reliability. The CR-V rarely has major mechanical problems. It is one of the safest long-term choices if you want an SUV that stays dependable for many years. Best SUV number 3, the Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 is one of the best SUVs for people who enjoy driving. It handles better than most SUVs in its class. The steering is precise, the suspension is responsive, and the engine delivers smooth power. The CX-50 feels balanced on the road. It gives you confidence when you turn, merge, or stop. Mazda is also improving reliability. The 2026 CX-50 uses proven engines and transmissions. They are smooth, strong, and dependable. The interior is one of the best in its class, with high-quality materials and a premium feel. If you want a fun SUV that still gives you strong reliability and comfort, the Mazda CX-50 is a great pick for 2026. Best SUV number 4, the Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester continues to be one of the safest and most reliable SUVs for families. The 2026 model keeps the same strong formula. It has standard all-wheel drive, great visibility, and very predictable handling. Subaru drivers stay loyal because Foresters last a long time with proper maintenance. The engine is simple and reliable. The transmission is smooth. The Forester also has one of the best safety records in the entire SUV market. Inside, it is spacious and comfortable. The tall windows give you an excellent view of the road, which makes driving easier and safer. If you want a dependable SUV that performs well in all seasons, the 2026 Subaru Forester is one of the best choices available. Stasys Saip's final thoughts. The SUV market in 2026 is full of choices, but not all of them are good. Some models look impressive but have serious long-term problems. Others deliver excellent performance, comfort, and reliability for many years. The Ford Explorer base models, the Nissan Rogue, and the Jeep Compass are the SUVs you should avoid in 2026 if reliability is important to you. On the other hand, the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-50, and Subaru Forester are 4 of the safest and most reliable choices for the year. If you are thinking about buying an SUV in 2026, stick with the models that will give you long long-term value and peace of mind. And that is the full list of the 3 worst and 4 best SUVs you should consider for 2026. Thanks for watching Fix or Flip. If you want more car advice, market tips, and buying guides, make sure to subscribe for more.